Ethereum value equivalent to $1646 a coin. The present reach, $1,627. $1,661. The earlier day close, $1,638. The change was plus 0.49%. Opposite rate, United States dollars to ETH. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost forecast for September 2023. To start with, cost at $1646. Greatest cost $1,851. Least cost $1,520. The normal for the month $1,669. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,660. Change for September 0.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. At the outset, cost at $1660. Most extreme cost $1,800. Least cost $1,442. The normal for the month $1,646. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,682. Change for October 1.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $1682. Most extreme cost $1,682. Least cost $1,387. The normal for the month $1,561. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,491. Change for November 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. In the first place, cost at $1491. Greatest cost $1,531. Least cost $1,331. The normal for the month $1,446. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,431. Change for December 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $1431. Greatest cost $1,579. Least cost $1,373. The normal for the month $1,465. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,476. Change for January 3.1%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. At the outset, cost at $1476. Most extreme cost $1,583. Least cost $1,375. The normal for the month $1,478. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,479. Change for February 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $1479. Most extreme cost $1,624. Least cost $1,412. The normal for the month $1,508. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,518. Change for spring 2.6%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with, cost at $1518. Greatest cost $1,848. Least cost $1,518. The normal for the month $1,653. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,727. Change for April 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. Before all else, cost at $1727. Most extreme cost $1,869. Least cost $1,625. The normal for the month $1,742. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,747. Change for May 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. To start with, cost at $1747. Greatest cost $2,169. Least cost $1,747. The normal for the month $1,923. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $2,027. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $2027. Greatest cost $2,027. Least cost $1,745. The normal for the month $1,919. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,876. Change for July 7.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. Initially cost at $1876. Most extreme cost $1,876. Least cost $1,466. The normal for the month $1,699. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,576. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $1,576. Greatest cost $1,956. Least cost $1,576. The normal for the month $1,734. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,828. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at $957. Greatest cost $1,188. Least cost $957. The normal for the month $1,053. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,110. Change for November 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. At the outset, cost at $11.10. Most extreme cost $1,319. Least cost $1,110. The normal for the month $1,193. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,233. Change for December 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at $12.33. Most extreme cost $1,233. Least cost $964. The normal for the month $1,117. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,037. Change for January 15.9%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $10.37. Most extreme cost $1,082. Least cost $940. The normal for the month $1,018. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,011. Change for February 2.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for WOC 2026. First and foremost, cost at $10.11. Greatest cost $1,255. Least cost $1,011. The normal for the month $1,113. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,173. Change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. At the outset, cost at $11.73. Most extreme cost $1,456. Least cost $1,173. The normal for the month $1,291. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,361. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place, cost at $13.61. Greatest cost $1,600.